All right, everybody, this is blown up on YouTube, so we need to make an update video. I'm Spencer from Hush Holsters. A couple of questions that have been coming up. This is the SKS folding stock again. Will we ship to Canada? Yes, we do have a Canadian distributor that we're going to be working with. Will this be in wood? Yes, this is a very close approximation of wood. We got American walnut styling right here. So this will be available in American walnut. The folding mechanism, Samson manufactures this here in the United States. Ruger has said no to anybody else touching this kind of stock. So I have redesigned this to use my IP, and it's very similar as far as action. Like this part folds and locks out, this part folds and locks out like that, but it uses totally different manufacturing processes that are way cheaper, so this thing isn't going to cost $1 million, but it will fold to the side, lock up like this, the whole shebang. It will look a little bit different, but it will look much more Soviet, if you catch my drift. Let's see, what are the other questions? Will it fit my blank SKS? Yes. We are getting a hold of Yugos, Norinkos, German ones. We're going to try and get a hold of every kind of SKS. We have a 3D scanner. We're going to make sure that this fits with the maximum number of SKSs. Spike bayonet, blade bayonet, shorter barrels, whatever. We're going to make sure that it fits the maximum number. If you pre-order, which you should, if you pre-order, when it's time to deliver, I will send you a message and say, what kind do you want? Do you want the Norinco? Do you want the spike bayonet? If there's any differences between them. If it all fits everybody, you're just gonna get a stock. So, if you want this to be a product that you can own, please support the pre-order. Don't just say, hey, cool stock, bro. Share it with somebody who has an SKS, hit the pre-order button, because if we don't have funding for this, it's gonna take forever to get it out. We have a supplier. We are just waiting on the final quotes to make this thing. So please help us make it a reality. This thing is really cool. It doesn't look bubba like those shitty old plastic stocks from the 90s. It's a really good length of pole. I can get perfect access to that Bad Aces Tactical. You can have the iron sights on there as well. If you have one of those big risers, you'll be able to get to it. It's still a good amount of cheek weld. This will fit with fixed magazines, polymer magazines. I don't know if it'll fit with drums. I don't have a drum, so if you have an SKS drum, I don't know, send it to me and we'll try it out. But the only other thing we're thinking of is maybe removing this area so you can take the thing and field strip it without taking it out of the stock. But this is a drop-in fit. This will drop in with any SKS that we're talking about here. No modifications needed to your gun. Will it work with AK mag ones? I don't have one of those right now, so I can't confirm that this already doesn't work with it, but I have a 3D scan that I will be getting of that, and we will confirm that it will work. AK mags, duckbow mags, fixed mags. So again, if you want this to be a product that you can buy right now in Canada or the US or whatever, please support the pre-order. Share it with somebody, share it with a Facebook group or a gun group, because if you really want this to be a thing that you can buy, this folding stock that doesn't look like a 1990s Bubba crappy plastic thing, we gotta get some funding to take this thing off the ground. Otherwise, I'm just kind of working on this thing for free and it's not very fun to do that. So go to the link in the description, hit pre-order, share this video. I promise you're gonna love this. This makes my SKS something that I actually wanna go shoot. It looks cool, it folds up real nice and small. You can shoot it from the folding position. This feels really cool to do. I don't know about the bayonet. Like this is like an extremely long rifle, but it still looks cool, right? Like that's awesome. Yeah, so support the pre-order. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching.